Hey there! Welcome to Recipes. In this very short video today, we're making something sweet, simple, and full of summer flavor, where sweetness meets sunshine. Today, we're diving into 3 delicious simple syrup recipes, each one crafted to bring a burst of island sweetness to your drinks and desserts. From the classic simple syrup, smooth and timeless, to the berry simple syrup, bursting with tropical mixed berry flavor, and the vanilla simple syrup, cozy and aromatic. Each one is simple to make, tasty to serve, and guaranteed to add that perfect sweet touch. So grab your ingredients, turn up the sunshine, and let's make magic, one syrup at a time. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope these flavors bring a little brightness into your drinks, your desserts, or honestly, just your day. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you'll be notified when more tasty recipes load. Before you go, I'd love to know something. Which syrup are you thinking about making first? And what drink or dessert do you think you'll use it in? I'm curious. Just drop a comment and let me know.